Hey everyone, not getting verification text on T-Mobile. This full fix guide walks you through network settings, message filters, and device checks to resolve the issue. Your T-Mobile account may have the short code blocking enabled, preventing verification text from arriving. Poor network signal or being in airplane mode can stop text from being received. You might have entered the wrong phone number when requesting the verification code, so double check the number you provide. Sometimes device glitches can cause this problem. If you recently switched phones or carriers, your account may need a setting adjustment by T-Mobile to allow verification text through. Not receiving verification text on T-Mobile full fix Skype. If you are not receiving a verification text on T-Mobile, it's often due to shortcode blocking or your account, which T-Mobile can remove for you. Other common reasons include incorrect phone number entry, weak signal, or network issue. Restarting your phone and resetting network settings can help resolve the problem. Fix 1. Check for typo errors and country code. Ensure you have entered your phone number correctly. Include the correct country code, example +1 for the USA, +91 for India. Double check for spaces or incorrect digit in your phone number. Fix 2. Try different website for verification code. If you are not receiving OTPs or verification code, test with another website or app to confirm if the issue is specific to one service. Some services may experience delays due to server side problems. Fix 3. Turn off Wi Fi calling and texting. Wi Fi calling or texting can interfere with SMS delivery. Android, go to settings, then connections, then go to Wi Fi calling, turn off. On iOS, navigate to settings, then iPhone, then go to Wi Fi calling, toggle off. If you cannot see the Wi Fi calling option, the option is not supported by your current version of Android. Fix 4. Check for network coverage. Poor network coverage can block OTPs or messages. Ensure your phone has sufficient signal strength. Switch between mobile data and Wi Fi to test connectivity. Swipe down the quick settings or control center. Enable airplane mode for 30 seconds, then disable it to refresh your connection. Fix 5. Check DND settings. If DND mode is enabled, you can turn it off by toggling the switch to the off position. This will allow you to receive text messages and other notification normally. For Android, go to settings, sound and notification, toggle off do not disturb if it is enabled. For iOS, go to settings, then focus, then go to toggle off do not disturb if it is enabled. Fix 6. Restart device. Restarting can help resolve issues with cellular, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity by resetting the device's wireless radios. On iOS, to restart an iPhone or iPad, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously until the device powers off, then turn it back on. On Android, to restart an Android device, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears, then select Restart and tap on it. Fix 7. Reset network settings. Resetting network settings will refresh and boost the network connection. For Android, go to Settings, then System, then go to Advanced, Reset Options, tap Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth, confirm the reset. For iOS, go to Settings, then General, then go to Reset, tap Reset Network Settings, enter your passcode if prompted. Fix 7. Restart iMessage settings. If you are using iPhone, try restarting iMessage option to resolve the error. To turn on iMessage, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Messages. Toggle the switch next to iMessage to turn it off. Wait for 2 seconds. Turn it on again. Fix 9. Check for short code blocking on your account. Any verification code are sent via SMS short codes, 4 to 6 digit numbers. T-Mobile sometimes blocks short codes on accounts, especially after switching devices or carriers. Call T-Mobile customer service at 1-800-937-8997 or use chat in the T-Mobile app and ask them to check and remove any short code or commercial message blocking on your line. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.